Today we are going to be learning about a very important aspect of music theory, barlines. Music is written on a series of horizontal lines called staves. Notes are placed on these lines or in the spaces between them. However, without barlines it can be difficult to tell where one measure ends and another begins. That's where barlines come in. Barlines are vertical lines that divide the music into equal measures. They create a visual boundary between each measure, making it easier to read and perform the music. Let's compare three pieces of music with different time signatures, one without barlines and one with. As you can see, the version with barlines is much easier to read and understand. Now let's try applying this knowledge to a practical example. I'm going to be playing a short piece of music for us without any barlines. Now let's see if you can follow along. Definitely a bit more tricky to follow. So now let's add some barlines and see if it makes a big difference. Superb! See how much easier it is to follow the music with barlines? To summarise, barlines are vertical lines that divide the music into equal measures. Not only are they an essential part of the theory, but they also make it easier to read and understand the music, especially in relation to the time signature. Still not 100% sure on how time signatures work? Then this handy video features all you need to know.